Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating how to select non-contiguous cell ranges, in other words, cell ranges that are not touching one another, and how to create a pie chart. So I'm going to begin on the basics worksheet here, and I'm going to select cell ranges B18 to B22, and then I'm going to hold down Control to select the second range, which is going to be F18 to F22. And if I was working on a Mac, I would hold down the Command key instead of the Control key to select the second range. Then I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go over to Pie Chart, and I'm going to insert a 2D pie chart. Now, once I have my pie chart, I'm going to change the style of it. So I like this black background. And I'm going to change a few of the data labels and things like that. So I'm going to go over here to Add Chart Element. And I'm going to go to Data Labels. And I'm going to select Center. So what it does is it puts the value inside of each of the pieces. But I'm going to do some further manipulation of that. So I'm going to go back up there, Chart Element, Data Labels, and I'm going to go to More Data Label Options. So in here, I could turn on and off various items. So I'm going to turn off Value, and I'm going to turn on Percentage, because I'm more interested in the percentages. And I'm going to turn on Category Names. So I like the look of that. Now I'm going to make my chart a little bit bigger. I'm going to grab one of the corners and drag it so that the chart is somewhat bigger. Now that's better. But I don't quite like that the labeling inside the pieces is so small. So if I click on one of those data labels, I can go to the Home tab and manipulate it just like any other text. So I could change its size or color or whatever I want. So in this case, I want to change the size to 20. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to go back to Chart Tools Design. I now don't need the legend that's down here because I've accomplished the same sort of goal within each piece. So I'm going to get rid of the legend. I'm going to go to Add Chart Elements, to Legend, and I'm going to turn off the legend. I'm going to say None. I'm going to do one last thing here. I want to explode the blue piece. Now, if I click on the blue piece, the first time I click on it, it selects all of the pieces. You can see the handles showing up for all the pieces because it thinks I want to work with all of them. But then if I click again on the blue piece, it highlights just the handles of the blue piece. So now, over here under Format Data Point, I could explode this piece up to, say, 15, and it makes that piece kind of jump out from the rest of the pie. And that's about it for pie charts. Thanks very much.